Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ATTOM for property data and investment insights, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or device. In the address bar, type in the URL for the ATTOM website. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the Login button. This is usually found at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you'll see fields for your username and password. If you already have an account, enter your username in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password. Once you've entered your username and password, double-check for any typos. After confirming the information is correct, click the Sign In button. If your credentials are valid, you will be logged into your ATTOM account. Now that you are in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Look for sections related to property data and investment insights. Explore the various tools and resources available. If you need assistance, locate the Support or Help section. You are now ready to utilize ATTOM for property data and investment insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.